Hello guys, it's me Johan. Hello guys, it's me Johan and I'm going a short. Quick, my video is not going up lately and our pig is asleep. There's no chicken around, but there's one there. Maybe it's got captured. Maybe it's got captured by my grandfather. So please like and subscribe. I have no more guys.